everyone, it's Sunday morning and I just thought I'd do a day in the life today. So we've got up quite late today. I'm not even sure what the time is. It's probably about 10 o'clock, something like that, but we were up late. Had a lovely lay-in. Makes a change to have a lay-in, but we did. So that was good. Last night we went out to Casa Brazil to have something to eat to celebrate our grandson Max and our two boys Josh and Lewis, their birthdays, because they fall on the 1st and the 2nd of September. Josh and Lewis are twins. Unfortunately, Josh couldn't come because he'd already made other arrangements, so just a few of us there anyway. We have been there before to that restaurant and it used to be brilliant. However, I wouldn't rate it now and I wouldn't even go back now. It's just not worth the money anymore. Anyway, but that's besides the point. It was a family birthday meal and it was great, everybody being together, and then of course they do the whole clapping and happy birthday. So I will insert a clip just about here so you can see what that was like.
Oh, that's good. Mine got paper out. Oh, with you. Happy birthday, let's go!
So as I say, I thought I'd just do a day in the life because I'm not going anywhere today. So I thought we'd just, spend the day together. So just folded up my nightie. That I'm going to wear again tonight. So I'm going to pop it under my pillow. Did you used to do that when you were kids? Pop your PJs and your nighties under your pillow. This incident is my new camera. So it's a Sony, what is it? A Sony ZV-1. A great little camera, I must say. I'm actually filming at the moment on my phone because I need to charge this up. So I'm going to charge it up in the bedroom and leave it up here. It is lovely. I'm getting used to it. But it's not like my other camera, I was just so used to using it that I didn't even have to sort of think about it, I just sort of did it. Whereas this one is a little bit different. Yeah, so I went to the most expensive I could afford to go to, but by goodness, like a lot of the vlogging cameras, etc., they were like over 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You could go on and on and on. So this is pretty basic for the, but it's a lot of money to us. So I'm just going to charge it now. Right, that's on and all charging. Bed's made. As you can see, I'm dressed. So put the dirty laundry in the laundry basket. I don't know why I've got my diary up here, but I have. But I'm going to take that downstairs. And I haven't introduced you to Luna, have I? I'm going to introduce you to Luna. Let's go down, shall we? Sky's looking a little bit iffy out there. Ted, you alright? Is you alright? What's the matter? Is you gonna say good morning? Good morning. I'm gonna have to wipe your eye, my darling. Yes, come on then. Come on, Teddy. Come on. This is Luna. For lunatic. I'm sure. Right, so this is little Luna. Yes, little chihuahua, 7 months old. Elsie, you and Luna play, don't you? Oh, Chris is outside doing something. So she's got a crate, which is just left here all the time with the door open. She doesn't, at home apparently she does sleep in it. Here, she cried the first night, so we didn't leave her in there. We came downstairs and got her. All right. She's still sort of teething because she's trying to, but fortunately she doesn't bite the furniture or anything like that. She's really good, but she does like a finger. And here's my Elsie Bousey. I need to do a bit of cleaning. I can see a coffee mark there. Do the windowsills. Oh, Chris is out there putting windscreen wiper fluid in the car, so it looks like he's done that now. I did put the hoover around yesterday. I'm not going to do it again today, even though I could. I'm not going to. Yeah, if you give her a little treat, she goes in there with it, and occasionally she'll take herself in there for about all of 10 minutes and then come out again, but it's just there because that's what she has at home. So Luna, hello. Elsie, my beautiful. Teddy, why are you not coming? What's wrong, my darling? Right. What am I dealing with here? Oh, this is her food, because she's given, Luna that is, she's given her a raw diet. Oh, so that's her food. Well, these are all out ready to put tablets in, coffee cups. Luke actually made us a coffee this morning, brought it up, that was lovely. Dishwasher. That cup can go into the dishwasher, and the underneath, the bottom, is still absolutely empty, so that'd be good for dinner. Make some coffee. Headphones on charge. What else? Oh, the Aero that I bought. So there we go. I didn't know whether I put this up yesterday, like this washing on here, and I wasn't sure whether to put it on the line or not, because obviously we're going out and our meal was booked for 5. We'd have been sort of like, it wouldn't have been dry anyway, and we didn't want to finish it off in the dryer, so I literally just put it on here and I'm sure it's dry. So if it's dry, I can take it off, fold it up and put it away. So yeah, it's worked out really good. The garden will be put into bed very soon. I've still got some tomatoes left, but as they've got bigger, I've picked them and put them on the windowsill. This could do with some water, definitely. Everything else, well, it's that time of year, isn't it? Look at the begonias, they did beautifully. I'm going to pick some of the sweet pea pods for the seeds. And then sort of everything's on its last legs, literally, really. Now, oops. Hello. So over there is our pantry sort of fall back on pile, although when I do buy things like baked beans, tomatoes, etc., they do get rotated, so we bring in the oldest and then sort of replenish from the back. And alcohol, that looks like we've bought an awful lot of alcohol, but we haven't. We have bought some of it, I must admit, but a lot of it is when we've had sort of parties, barbecues, and everybody turns up with alcohol. So what we've said is the next time we have one, nobody bring any alcohol, because we've got all of this to use first. So yeah, there's a little stock over there of things to use, so it's always wise to have a backup. And as you can see, a lot of it are the cheaper sort of tins.
Yeah.
You know, like the Stockwells from, is that Sainsbury's or Tesco's?
Tesco's is the Stockwell.
Yeah,
Tesco's are the soups.
Yeah, the Growers Harvest. Tesco's, is it? At Sainsbury's?
I don't know.
Yeah, I can't remember. But we tend to sort of buy them and just, you know, and the garage is an ideal, yeah. So this is an ideal place to keep them because obviously it's nice and cold in the winter and it's still fairly, quite cool in the summer. And I wouldn't have room indoors for all this lot anyway. This has now been emptied, this trough, and Chris has got bits of wood to raise it. So it's going to be a raised bed. And I don't know whether to, I think I'm going to put some like tulips and daffodils in here. And then maybe sort of later on, maybe put some carrots and onions, and because it's nice and deep. He's also going to make a trellis to put on the tree so that we can start to train the honeysuckle to go up the tree. So I need to come out and pick some apples, I think, today, because they're starting to fall. So I'm going to come out actually and pick some apples. Right, Elsie. There you go, that's what he's got to do, the trellis with the bamboo. Right, coffee time. Right, make a nice coffee. Tell you what, I am really, let me move that bit. I'm really into black coffee right now. Why? Just am. Right, this is Luke, he has sugar. We have milk. I do still have the occasional one with milk, of course, but not as many as I did before. So I've been trying this. Got this at TK Maxx, you know, always at TK Maxx, aren't they? Skinny syrups, no calories, no sugar. This is a limited edition pumpkin caramel scone. It's very nice. So I've been having a little bit of this occasionally in a coffee. Not a lot, as you can see. And I don't have it maybe twice a day, if that. Probably once a day, normally, sometimes twice. What else have we got going on today? I'm going to cook dinner later. I thought we'd have gammon steaks today, because we all like those, and I might do it with jacket potatoes. We fancy a jacket potato. Do you fancy a jacket potato with a gammon steak? I do.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. We've got mushrooms and tomatoes. And, yeah. Similar to last Thursday, I gained a pound, but I did half expect to, because where we had Amanda and the grandgirls down, you know, we were off eating more and everything. To be honest, it doesn't take a lot for me to put on weight. Chris actually lost a pound, so he's now lost 1.5 stone in 4 weeks, and I've lost 10 pounds in 4 weeks. So I'm still happy. So I hope to get a loss this week. Well, Thursday coming. To be honest, even if it's a half a pound or a pound, I'd be well chuffed. But my front number's changed already. Has your front number changed yet?
It changed in the first week.
Oh, okay.
Because I was 20 stone 5, and in the first week I lost 9 pounds.
Oh,
so.
yeah. Oh, it's so funny because there's a couple there. They've been to Madeira on holiday, and of course they've had a good time on holiday, put on weight as you do. And he said, well, my front number's changed, so I'm happy about that, but it's changed in the wrong direction. That was quite funny, wasn't it, when he said that. I'm going to fold up the washing and then have a little chill. Well, have some breakfast. It's going to be a brunch.
to dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Oh guys, I know what I've got to tell you. You know my Hannah, she is having another baby. They're pregnant. The baby is due in April next year. So something to really look forward to. Another little baby in the family. That's going to be grandchild number 10, I believe, number 10. Yeah, Lennox is over the moon, of course, when they showed him the scan picture, and he had a book saying that he's a big brother now. He's like, that's my baby sister. Fingers crossed it's a girl. Right, for lunch today, we are having these Warburton, what are they called? Warburton soft pitters or something. So we're having those. We've got lettuce at the bottom, cucumber, roast beef and tomatoes. There was 3 left in the pack, so we just thought we might as well just finish them. So yeah, this is what we've got for our lunch today. We're about to have our lunch. We're all cosy, got the curtains drawn in the lounge. The dogs have got a little treat. There's no way you've eaten yours, missus. And we're about to watch Top Gun. It's all new smells, isn't it? Oh, it's all different smells. Come on. Come on, Teddy. Come on, boy. Come on then. Come on, that's enough. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, that's enough. Sit in there. Come on. That's a good boy. We just had to bath Teddy because when he's long haired, sometimes it gets hot when you're in, doesn't it? So just had a dump in the bath. Yeah, come on then. So, nice place to get wash and dry. Let's have a walk. Let's do. So Ted's got to have his little break in his little doggy chair, doggy stroller. Haven't you, my darling? Hey? Done quite well for now. I'm not pushing all over the shop. And then we'll get him out again in a little bit so that he can have another walk. So this is how we tend to do it with Teddy. It's walk, rest, walk, in the buggy, and walk. Teddy, you like it, don't you? So you know we were going to just change the little cupboards over in the hallway. So this one here was originally in the hallway, so I've just, well, Chris has carried it up for me. So I'm going to use this. So these 3 things here, so that one, obviously it's got my sewing machine on, that's got a lot of crafting stuff, that's my new Avon book there. That's me starting to get my empties ready for an empties video. And that's going to be, other than what's on the top, all of this is going to be for like crafting and sewing. So there is just enough room in here for that. And the other one is down there, look. So we got this one out of the garage today. That's it, moved it back a bit further. I can fit the lamp. Can fit the lamp on there. My candle, can't fit a whole load on there. But yeah, it's okay, it looks okay. It's better than having it in the garage because it really is quite sweet. And I just had my Look Fantastic box delivered, so I'll be doing a video on that. So I'm just about shattered again now. So I'm going to love you and leave you, my darlings. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. Just spend the day with me today. Hasn't been too wild, I know that, but just a typical day in my life. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, tell me what your favourite part of this video was. Take care everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.